Hello, beloved. Here we are on a Sunday, in a moment of rest, with all that swirls around us in the world, all of the unknowns, all of the things that don't make sense, all of the harm that is being enacted on personal and communal, societal and global scales. I invite you to pause with me. And if you happen to have an animal who companions you on this journey, to pick them up or reach over to them and be present with them. This is Moonshine. He is my almost 14-year-old friend who has been part of life in my household for all but the first few months of his life. He is a sweet and gentle giant of a cat who makes a point to reach out to let you know he's there, to comfort, to take treats when they are offered, and to receive love and give it back in abundance. The animals who companion us in our life have much to teach us about being present in the moment, about offering yourself generously. They have much to teach us about stretching and yawning and resting when our bodies need rest and not pushing beyond what we can bear. They are kind to let us into a part of their world, and they offer a soothing and a respite from much of the havoc that we humans create, that they and we then must live with. Their awareness is different from ours. Their lives are different from ours, and that is not a lesser thing. That's actually something to invite us into learning of and from them, of coming into a new understanding of what it means to be part of the natural world. Our animal companions are part of our lives, those that we bring into our homes who live with us, and the wild ones who live as their nature welcomes them to be. On this day, this Sabbath, this rest, who are the animals who companion you? How are you a faithful companion in their clouder, in their pack, in their team? What are they welcome to teach you? The ones within the walls of your home and the ones who live beyond them. Perhaps in a practice today, pause and name the animals that have been part of your lives, the ones you gave names to, and the wild ones who may not have a name from us, but are named by that which creates them and gives them life and calls them back, as we each are. Welcome, delight in, celebrate, learn from the wisdom of your animals and your life. And remember, you are animal too. And there can be a gentleness, a centering into the present moment, an unconditional love, a way of seeing that perhaps you have not embodied yet. Blessings on the journey. You are not alone.